Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a factory reset of your Oppo A16. This operation can be helpful if you sold your phone or if the phone doesn't work correctly. So first of all, go to settings and then scroll down to additional settings. Here, scroll down for the backup and reset. And there is an option erase all data factory reset, and here you can reset only network settings, system settings. You can try firstly to check if the phone is working correctly. You can erase download apps under data, and of course you can erase all data from the phone. Yep, so gonna be factory reset as I said. And that's it, all about the resetting all the options and settings in your phone. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.